Well, next we have the motherboard, static drives, static cables, whatever. All the rest of this junk. All that in there, all in there, all in there. More junk. Possibly I will need it. Definitely will need it when I go to it. Okay. Motherboard out. Beautiful. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to assemble this on the box, which is possibly about here. Probably about upside down the box. There you go. One motherboard. Beautiful, huh? There you go. One motherboard. Yes. With all its bells and whistles, huh? Now, first thing on the motherboard, okay, is my chip, my processor, which is in the box here, which I have here. One processor. Yeah, I have to break the seal on this box, which is not going to be painful too much. Okay. Right. One motherboard there, okay. Now here comes my chip, which is there. There's the baby there, look at that. Right, AMD. Okay. AMD. This is the heatsink. And it looks the best, doesn't it? Doesn't that look cool? That looks like it knows what it's doing. These are the clips that clip in, hook in, and voila. Right. Underneath then we have our area for the heatsink to fit on. Now again, this is the gel, heat gel, which you don't touch, like I just did there. And this is my beautiful work of art CPU. Look at that baby, huh? Now, I don't need a phone there, but there you go, okay? Now, there's one way this can go, and only one way, okay? Which is, yeah, I don't want to make a mess of this too quick, okay? But there's other websites around that'll show you exactly how it's done, okay? But lever up, chip aligned with the triangle at the corner. Okay, chip aligned with the triangle at the corner. There's no pressure required to put this in. It'll just sit in like so. No need for downward pressure at all. Okay. Flip this down then, and it's home. Simple as that. Okay. No problem. Okay. Now, next is to fit this big bad boy here. Is this way, I think. I presume. This has got to go square on. This has got to go right. It's got to go right first time. Okay. This sits down like so. Okay. Clips in. This clips in here. When I get to release it. Oh, but this isn't a problem now. Without breaking the board, of course. Without breaking the board. make sure the right way around, isn't it? See, it's trying to get this right is the problem. And when you're an amateur like me, when you get it right is the... Oh, yeah. Oh, that's it. You hear that click? That's the baby home. And as I push the lever forward, it really secures it down on it. Oh yeah. Now, that is it done there. I hope it's the right way around. Looks like it is, isn't it? You know, planning and preparation. Okay, to me, that is beautiful. And from what I can see, this just goes in here. Yeah. Oh yeah. 4-pin straight in. Yeah. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. Now again, I just have to keep them nice and okay. Again, AMD. Perfect. That's the chip fitted. Okay. Processor fitted. Okay. Next is my RAM. My beautiful RAM. Now, I just want to keep these wires. I don't want them to get too caught up in everything, okay? But that's RAM, ram it, and ram it. There we go. Okay, ready to go to take the RAM.